sound is made. Just like that. Running on a daily. I think this one I'm just going to let it hit a busy point and then we call it a day. Happy trading, everybody. This is the reason why I took an entry. I missed these entries. The time I was giving out all those analysis on the markets. So this one I took it halfway. It was 5 minutes. I took it halfway. And this one was a full 5 minutes with a star underneath it. I had to ride the whole of it. Same thing which happened here, the previous market movement. There was a star underneath it. I had to ride it all the way until it closed. These things happened almost every time. See the star, it goes all the way. See the star, it goes all the way. See the star, it goes all the way. So these happened almost every time. See, we can take full advantage of all these.
Kings are not born. They are made by artificial hallucination. Kings must fight for empires. Madmen for applause. We must learn to live together as brothers, or perish together as fools. He that can walk is born to be a king of something. Too many kings can ruin an army. Focus on what works for you. Introducing the sides of trading excellence. Trade with no fear of the markets. Win every single time. We are not You're ordinary traders. We are professionals. We are money makers. Do you want to join us? Head over to our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification. Join our Telegram group, be a part of our community. We are KDMFX. Join us. Never lose again.
So here's how we're going to get started with this. Welcome to KDMFX. I'm sure you saw from the intro, we made sure we included the intro because this is going to be something big. This is one thing which is going to be for the beginners. If you're starting out to become a forex trader, you actually need this. It's here in Zambia, it's a difficulty for most of you all to get a credit card from FNB, and I haven't yet tried out these other banks, but I would definitely go with Standard Chartered because it's the one I've been with for some time, and they're very good when it comes to transactions. They only take hours coming from Deriv or any other broker. So I'm sure you've been seeing me around most of the times, posting on my YouTube strategies, how to trade boom and crash, forex, Bitcoin, commodities and other stuff. Okay, so here is one thing. We never covered up this part of trading, so we'll get right into it. So depending on which country you are at or wherever you are, it's very easy to open up a Standard Chartered account. Mine only opened it up, should be a year ago, or should be roughly 2 years ago, somewhere like that. So yeah, that's how long I've had my account. So the way it is very simple. Opening up an account, all you have to do is they ask you where you are. Once they ask you where you are, all you have to do is you choose the country you're at. So I'm just going to give you a list of all the countries which are supported by Standard Chartered, so that you can open up an account. Because the reason why I'm doing this, the reason why I'm starting with this is because I've seen a lot of people have had a lot of problems when it comes to funding their Deriv account or any other brokerage account. They'd rather use maybe agents or something like that. I've never used that. The first time I started all this, I started with my Standard Chartered account, Visa account. So once you go to that section, all you have to do is you open up an account. So what they tell you is you need to download the app. So you download the app via Android phone, or you can download on an iOS device. So it's only supported on Android or iOS, iPhones or Android. So there's a QR code there. You can scan it to get the app. Yeah, then you get started right away. So that is covered up with. So guys who are in Zambia or any other regions where Skrill is not supported, for me, I'm a true Skriller. I'll play out the names. So yeah, I'll play up my account, my address, and my phone number, my email. Okay, my email can remain. So because this is not the email I use with my Deriv account. That's not the email I use with my Deriv account. So this one is basically safe. And the other thing is you don't need to enable 2FA authentication on your account. So this is my account. So here's the thing, if you're in Zambia, if you want to create a Skrill account and be successful with it, all you have to do, you have to choose Tanzania as the country. Then the fiat has to be USD. It has to be USD. So yeah, that's it for Skrill. So let's go back to Deriv now. This is where it's going to be interesting now. So you type in deriv.com and you go to this section. So let me see, get trading. Let me see if my account is there.
Okay, I have my account logged in right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log out real quick right now. Yeah, so starting with deriv account, this is what you need to do. They give you two options here. It's either you create an account where you put in your email address, and after putting in your email address, they'll send the details that side, like to your email. You get the link, then it will take you where they're going to ask you a few questions. So with that part, let's get started with that part. Trying to open up a Gmail account right now. So yeah, then the most interesting part is that everything here, you can see everything here. So you just do this real quick. I don't know if I'm going to show sensitive information here. I need to be very. Alright, what you can do, you can open up another window to make it real quick and snappy, which is going to be in incognito. Yeah, so
I think I really messed up the time I was okay, I think I really messed up. That time when I was making a video, instead of just using the normal browser, I went in the incognito mode, and nothing was showing there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a fresh up video of everything. If you don't know how to create a Google account, so what I'm going to urge you to do is sorry, not google.com. You go to google.com. My network is really bad right now, so you have to bear with me. As you can see, there's barely no bar because where I am, yeah, it's in a remote area. That's the reason why I've been quiet a little bit. So we're going to do it right now. So you go to Google. Once you go to google.com, I think I showed everything, how to go about creating the deriv account and everything like that. Or you just create a Google account. After creating a Google account, you just go direct to Google. Then direct from Google, all you have to do is you sign in with a social account. I mean, sorry, not from Google, but direct from deriv. You go and create a social account. So here's the thing. So what you have to do is you have to go to sign in, and from signing in, it's going to ask you if that's going to be a personal account, if it's going to be a business account. You have to choose a personal account. I talked about 2FA verification, where you need to verify. You need when trying to log in your account, there's going to be a password which is going to be sent to your mobile, your SIM card, or the current mobile you're using, and you're going to manage all the devices which are attached to your Gmail account, so that the chances of you being hacked are going to be less. So you can do all that. You can enable two-way verification when logging in. It's going to be very safe and very easy and very convenient for you. The other thing is what's the other thing? The other thing is when you create a deriv account direct, which means it's not going to be linked to a social account, but it's going to be linked to your Gmail account, but it's going to be a deriv account with your own password. The social account, you don't need to sign in a password. Just click on the social account which you want to log in. Then after that, you log in your Gmail account, and it goes direct to the deriv account, and you can manage your account from there. So you have to put this in mind. Email addresses are 100% necessary, and you need them. I'm talking to guys from Zambia right now because I've seen a lot of people who miss out on that. So you go to create a Google account. When you go to create a Google account, you create a Google account, you put in, you fill in everything. You don't even need the number at that particular point, but you have to put your number so that it gets verified. Very important. Also, if you have another email address which you can use as a recovery email address, you can do that as well. So yeah, it's either I put as test, deriv, deriv, then here you can put test, or you can let them choose for you the perfect fit which is going to fit your username. the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yeah, 8. Then you can put TRAD. So that's the password you can use. You can create your own password. Then after creating your own password, you can create a Gmail account. That's the first part you need. Before you go in for trades, always make sure to do that. So 2021. Okay, there's test derived there. So test derived at gmail.com. Yeah, that one looks just fine. So that's the first thing you need. You need an email address before you go any further. Here you can just go next. Okay, if you're using a PC, you won't be asked to put your mobile. But if you're using your mobile phone, you'll be asked to put in your number for further verification. Because, yeah, anyways, that's the way it is. So right now, I won't be able to show you that. But when I was using the PC, I wasn't asked for all this. But the problem is I was using incognito mode, so I couldn't see all that. So once you create an account, all you have to do is you have to do this. You have to go to deriv.com. Sorry, I don't know what's happening with the com and the cons, but deriv.com or binary.com, you go to these sites. That site, what you need to do is all that, but the deposit and everything, I already put it there. So when logging in, if you don't have an account, you just go to create an account, create a demo account. They'll definitely send you a code to your email address to verify that it's you once you create an account. From there, they'll ask you the process where you create your account, where you fill in the names, you fill in your country. I'm sure it's going to be something very basic and easy for you to do. I did that for you in the video. I covered all that, but unfortunately, I was using the incognito mode. I didn't know that it won't show on a video as I was recording my screen. But yeah, it's a simple thing. As long as you know how to read and you know everything, you can do all that. It's very simple and straightforward. All you have to do is you go to login. From logging in, if you don't have an account, you say create an account. I'm sure I can see that, and you can log in with Gmail account, Apple ID, Facebook. Let me try that one more time. Let me try that one more time before we wrap up. And we're going to connect this video with the rest of the video so that you can get to know how it works. So you see there's Facebook, Apple, and Google. And you can also create an account. So when you go to the Google account, you sign in with just your Google account, and it will take you. If you don't have an account, it will take you where you need to fill in. You choose the fiat account you need. Fiat is account which manages your money. There's Great British Pound, there's USD, then there's also Australian dollar and euros as well. Yeah. So you can choose from those, and there's also cryptocurrency accounts which you can use. There's all that. Then today what I want to do is something real simple. It's something real simple. Today what I'm going to do is this petronpay. We request for a withdrawal. Because guys are always saying it's a scam. So petronpay, I'm going to use my Ethereum account from binary or deriv. You go to be part of it, which says login. Oh, sorry. You need to go to login. You need to go to log in. Not to register. You need to wait. It says login. Yeah. So from login, you put in the details. You log in your account. Yeah. So today I have about 26. So 26 is eligible to withdraw. So I'll click the wallet there. Then after clicking the wallet, I'm just going to withdraw 25. So I'm going to leave $1 something in the account so that I get the rest of the amount. I'm going to leave the rest of the amount to grow. So as you can see here, the active contract contains about 150
US dollar from the $50 investments I did. So today, from the time I invested, I've only managed to accumulate about 25. So I go to finances and I go to withdrawals. Yeah, so make a new withdraw. Yeah, so I meet my withdraw, then I can make a withdraw. So this withdraw is going direct to my binary account. I've already requested withdraw. So as you can see, the withdraw is going to go direct to my account. So it will take 3 days or 2 days, I don't know, but it's pending right now. So I can cancel it, you know, or I can do something. So the tax is going to be 25. So which means I'm going to get something like 20, should be $22.50. That's the amount I'm going to get. So yeah, that's the way it is. Anyways, there we have it now. There we have it. We can wrap it up right now.
It should be the US is here. Let me show you what's going to say. So for the United States, unfortunately, derivative is not supported. So I'm in Zambia right now. I'll choose Zambia. I'll create my account to trade with, a real account to trade with. What you need to do is you create a fiat account. So you select the fiat you want to use. Everyone is going for the USD, so you can go for the USD. It has at least multiple ways of funding your account and withdrawals. So you create that, and once you choose that, you can also choose your cryptocurrency, the one you're going to trade, whatever you want to do with it. Yeah. So at this point, you're ready to trade. You can deposit the money via Skrill, JTool, Perfect Money, Web Money, Faster Pay, everything. Credit card. All you have to do is let me actually do a live demonstration right now. So since we're done with this, let me close this. Yeah, so we're going back to my account. So my account, I basically go in direct for me. Like you have seen, I just go direct, it logs in with my Gmail account. I don't have any problems with that. It just goes in just like that. So as you can see right there, there's 0 here. So what I need to do to fund my account is I go to the cashier, and also one thing you need to consider is when you go here, documents, so that your account is going to be verified, so that you won't have any limits when it comes to depositing or withdrawing. You won't have any limits. So you go now. I now go to cashier. My account is fully verified. Or you have to what you need to have to verify your account is driver's license or passport. And yeah, you can get started. So for me right now, my deposit is going to be via Visa. So I already have my Visa. I already have my Visa card, so I'll play up that. So yeah, I'll play it up. So for me, what I'm going to deposit today is going to be 1,000 USD. So let's see what's going to happen, because they have to contact when making that with deposit, the bank has to be contacted. So I'll receive that, then yeah, I'll receive a code like right now, then I'll put in the code right now, the one I've received. They don't really say we need to share the code, but yeah, you receive the code, then 2 and 6. You put in the code, you submit it, and it's going to be instant. 100%. That's the thing you get. It's instant. You pay up 1,000, then if you want to do transfers, all you have to do is you move here, you go to transfer funds, so you can transfer the funds from this account. On the section where it says transfer, you go to this, then you can make a transfer from this amount. Yeah, you can make a transfer from the $1,000 account. You can transfer it to your trading account. So I'm just going to do that right now. So that's the transfer. right there. So it's simple, straightforward, very easy. You don't have to worry about anything when it comes to this. So you confirm, then yeah, it's transferred. So we have all the accounts funded right now. So there's 1,400 and there's $100 in here. So we have everything right there running. Okay, so I'm sure now we have it from the steps of making a withdrawal. I mean, making a deposit. Withdrawals, all you have to do is you go to the withdrawals, then they're going to say you have to fund your account. So you have to move that money to that account and you can deposit. I mean, you can withdraw. Then they'll send you a link to your Gmail in order to allow the withdrawal. I'm sure I'm going to cover up that very soon so that you know how you can make it work. So for now, that's a thing I have for you. So that's a thing we have for you right now. So what else is there to cover up? I've already talked about Skrill. If you need the Skrill account, my account already has Skrill for deposits, Visa for deposits, and everything else. You don't have to worry about all that. Then bank is Standard Chartered. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get started. You can use my code for Standard Chartered. You get some bonuses, and it's one bank which has zero charges. It has no book balance on it. You can use it as long as you wish. They won't charge you anything, trust me. You won't get charged anything on it. And what's the other thing? Yeah, I'll leave the links in the description below. Make sure to subscribe and stay active, because what I'm going to cover up next is going to be how to set up the indicators and how to get started trading. The whole trading, how to set up my indicators, how to set up the mobile indicators, and how to do up almost everything to be profitable. And I'm going to show you how to make withdrawals. Oh, and the other thing is very, very simple. You talked about petronpay. Yeah, let's cover petronpay as well. Guys who want to invest in petronpay actually pays. So all you have to do is log in to petronpay, sign into petronpay. Yeah, seems like today won't be the day I'm going to make my withdraw. If I go to finances right now, let me try to make a withdraw. And how much do I need? I mean, I need about 25. So today I won't be able to make a withdraw. I need to wait for tomorrow. So tomorrow is when I'm going to make a withdraw. Yeah, I'm going to make a withdraw. Yeah, seems like right now I can't really make any transactions. All I have to do is, oh shit, I need to enter my address, and the address I'm going to enter is the one which is coming from my deriv account, which I'm going to go on deposit, and I'm going to change here. I'm going to put it on oh, I need to put an Ethereum account, sorry, Ethereum account. So yeah, so I'm going to make a deposit on the Ethereum. Yeah, I'll get the code, then take it to petronpay, then I'll put it here, paste it here, save the changes. Let's try to go to finances and we make a withdraw. So make a new withdraw. So the withdraw I need to make is about 25 USD. So I'm going to make that withdraw once it touches 25 USD. Then yeah, petronpay will be covered as well. So we're going to show you that is what is come. So all that money which is going to come in is going direct to my binary or deriv account. So yeah, so there you have it. So I've covered up almost everything, deposit part, and the only part which is going to remain is a withdraw and how to make all this. I'll leave all the links in the description so that you can get started, either PetronPay or any other thing. So PetronPay, what it does is, if you go to the dashboard right now, you're going to see I made my investments of 50 USD, and my returns I'm expecting about twice that amount, so it is going to be 150. So I'm planning to withdraw my 50 USD, then I reinvest the 100, then that 100 is going to be 300. I reinvest the 300, is going to be a cycle like that. If I'll need to add up more, I'll add up more so that I move faster. So I'll be making profits faster. So that's the way it goes. So for PetronPay is covered as well. Any other investment, any other thing, I can guide you through. So yeah, that's the thing I had for you guys. Signing out by now. So happy trading. Don't forget to like this video, share if you need somebody to know about this, and yeah, like, comment what you need to see next, and keep it going. Team KDMFX, we're doing the most right here. We're doing the most. The profitable team.
Well, one more thing you need to consider is that before making a withdrawal, you get pending confirmation on email. So you got your emails, then you find email from PetronPay, and you confirm that it's you who's trying to make a withdrawal. And after that, yeah, so withdraw confirmation from PetronPay. Yeah, so here you confirm my withdrawal. Then after confirming your withdrawal, they'll take you back to PetronPay. Then your withdrawal is going to be confirmed. Then it's going to be pending. Then afterwards, you receive your money. That's how you do it. So PetronPay has now been confirmed. So withdrawal will be paid within the maximum of all that. So right now the status is pending. As you can see, there it goes. So that's how you make a withdrawal on PetronPay.